with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Dodge features cruise control, a CD player, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, power steering, and power windows. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.